Hello students, so today we are going to see about trigonometry. So this is the new chapter for 10th standard. So first basic thing what we should know about trigonometry means about the Pythagoras. So basic things what we should know about trigonometry, here it is Pythagoras. So here the first thing we should know about the Pythagoras and then about the angles, okay. So here based on this trigonometry, so here we study about finding the trigonometry ratios and then for using what is trigonometry identities and some specific angles. This is what we will be discussing in this chapter, okay. So first, based on Pythagoras, how we are going to apply the what is Pythagoras in trigonometry, we'll see. Okay, so here you can see that. So first we should know what is meant by angle of elevation and angle of depression. So if we are taking this as an angle, this is a triangle here. So it is A, B, C. Always this trigonometry concept which is used for this right angle triangle. So here you can see that. So if suppose if I am going to take the angle in this place, it is theta. If I am going to take the angle in this place, this is called angle of elevation. This is called angle of elevation. Okay. And the next one, if suppose if the triangle, if you are observing from here, means this is called angle of depression. Angle of depression. Okay, so this we are going to discuss in the chapter of application of trigonometry, but here you should know what is meant by angle of elevation and angle of depression here. So in this case, we will take the theta in any places. So this is already 90 degree, we know that, and even this place also we can take as a theta. Okay, so this way we will measure the angle. So we will mention the angle. So first thing we are going to discuss about trigonometry ratios here. Okay, so the Pythagoras concept is very important. We know the Pythagoras rule, what is this? Sine square plus sine square equal to hypotenuse square. So this is what the Pythagoras condition. So by using this, what we are going to do is we are going to find the trigonometry ratios one by one. Okay, so first here. So what are the trigonometry ratios? So for that, already I told you that the Pythagoras is very, very important. Okay. So based on the Pythagoras, here first we are going to see the trigonometry ratios. So this is the 90 degree right angle triangle A, B, C, and here the angle we have taken is 90 degree, angle B is 90 degree. So here this is the hypotenuse, and if suppose if I am going to take the angle theta in this place, so this will be the opposite side, and this will be the adjacent side to this theta. Okay, so based on this, we are going to write the trigonometry ratios one by one. So trigonometry ratios. So first thing we are going to study about sin theta. So sin theta. So theta we have taken in this place. So either you can say sin theta or else the angle sometimes we used to say sin C also we can say. So we can say sin theta or else sin C. Okay, so here we have taken sin theta. So here you can see that. So it is will measure the angle here. The sin theta means we measure the angle. It is not a multiplication part. It is between sin and theta. So here we are going to measure the angle. So sin theta is equal to, it is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. So here you can see that this is the opposite side means AB divided by hypotenuse is what is AC. Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. And then cos theta. So cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. That is equal to adjacent as BC by AC. And then tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. So here you can see that easily how we can remember this means. So after writing sin cos, the hypotenuse can cancel. Will have opposite by adjacent. So that is AB by BC. So if you know all these three trigonometry ratios, the remaining thing you can write from this. So the reciprocal of sin is cosecant theta. Cosecant theta. So here opposite by hypotenuse means here it become hypotenuse divided by opposite. And for cos, which is the reciprocal, means secant theta. So secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent. And then cot theta is equal to adjacent by opposite. So these are the 6 trigonometry ratios we are going to discuss in this chapter. So I told you that which is the basic thing means Pythagoras is very important. It will be what it will be more useful for finding the trigonometry ratios. So based on this Pythagoras only, we are going to see one by one. So that is sin theta means, so theta we have taken here. So when theta is here means this part is opposite side. So opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. And then tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So now for sine, which is the reciprocal, means cosecant theta. So cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite. And then cos theta, the reciprocal is secant theta. So secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent. And tan theta, the reciprocal is cot theta. So it is adjacent by opposite. Okay. So based on this, what we are going to do is we will discuss the sums and we will solve the sums based on using the trigonometry ratios. Maximum these type of trigonometry ratios we will be finding the height and distance. Like that we can use the trigonometry ratios. Thank you.